candidates.
No sifting mechanism to weed out the tainted. The state has not arrived. We're only on that, my lords.
That we
We're
can
only on
keep a
that.
check on, let the
Yes.
selection go through.
Yes,
If you're
yes.
able to
Yes,
show
my
that
lords.
any tainted candidate has been selected again, you will
My-
face the music.
My lord, I can.
If you allow, you have the list of tainted candidates
Yes, we
given
have.
by the
We are
CBI.
not, we are not.
If you are allowing any of those candidates to appear
But
again,
this-
take it from us, we will
But-
come down on you like a ton
My
of
lord,
bricks.
yes, my lord, kindly allow me. If this is the allegations are made.
This allegation
let them
is
show-
already both. We'll take it up tomorrow, but in this letter, you have said that you brought out a notice on which day? 22/8/25, one day after our order.
Yes, yes.
That's a public notice, is it?
Yes, yes. And
Published in the
details have been
newspapers,
given.
and 2,000 people have not come forward.
Your lordship.
No, only 13 people have come.
No, you said total number, you gave the total number here, 13,800 candidates out of approximately 15,800 candidates
Yeah,
have submitted their application.
Yeah, they have-
That means 2,000 have not submitted.
Your lordship.
nearly.
Nearly 2,000 have not come forward.
Nearly come forward.
Your
But
lordship.
after that, my lord, 13 applications have come.
13 more have come.
13 And
There's one writ petition today.
one petition.
One SLP today.
Well, only our concern is that up to third, anybody can make the application. We don't have the difficulties.
Up to
But-
third, is it?
Third.
Second.
Sorry,
Second.
up to
Up to
second.
second.
Up to second.
Second session.
And then the 7th September, my lord, we want to proceed with the selection
Sorry,
process as per.
Sir, we only said accordingly. Well, you want that clarified, we'll take up the application tomorrow.
And yes, and another thing, my lord, can you just excuse me, that the last line. That
Accordingly, that is what we said, it'll.
Yeah, accordingly.
Accordingly.
if it is necessary, my lord.
That will clarify.
Well, that's-
Shall be postponed accordingly, we said. You are appearing for whom?
Lordships, I'm appearing for the untainted
Those who were
candidates here.
selected and appointed only
Yes, your lord.
will be
I'm
covered.
appearing for that category only.
Then
Unfortunately,
if you are selected and appointed, they are bound to allow you to participate.
there are.
You can't ask for
In which
postponement of the
I'm just asking for my application and SLP also to be listed together because there's much which I have to show to
You
your
have
lordship.
perhaps one SLP today or.
My lord, one SLP is today.
One SLP is there today.
I'll give the number.
Today, my lords.
Yes, one is there today.
Lordships,
That's
the
my SL.
Yes.
problem is that the tainted students are also being given admit.
No, no,
cards.
no, no,
I have
no.
got them.
We've already noted one order passed by the High Court.
No,
In
no.
that Vivek Paria, that order had
My lord, we
been
are
filed.
not giving. We are not giving.
Therefore,
You
on
went before the High Court asking for that relief, but you got denied.
But we have accepted. My lord. We have
therefore
accepted.
I've filed your lordships an MA and an SLP. Your lordships may list
No,
it together.
we are
That's
going
all
to
I'm
keep
saying.
these matters pending, though they wanted Vivek Paria also to be disposed of.
Yes, your lordship.
Because we really suspect your bona fides. You're not being straightforward at all. Despite going through this entire process, you still want to favor your
No,
blue-eyed
no,
boys.
no. After the division bench.
Why would you go before the High Court and ask for permission to allow the tainted candidates to appear?
This is the point.
Unless you have a vested interest
I
there.
will-
Lordships
have.
propose it
No,
and they
nothing, my lord.
dispose.
You went before the High Court, Ms. Dwivedi was there.
Yes, my-
Perhaps you were not there on that day.
My lord,
The learned senior counsel who appeared in that matter showed us that order.
Yes, is right.
And that does not reflect well upon you at all.
My lord, kindly excuse me, my lord. When the parent matter came, that
Vivek Paria.
Oruni.
Arunima Paul was different.
But in that matter itself, our arguments have been recorded. Also for-
Arunima Paul was not a candidate who had been selected and appointed. Therefore, you can't equate these people with Arunima
No, I
Paul.
am not equating. I am not equating. But there they one judgment, you know, Vivek Paria's judgment, in the case.
That's only an interim order, it's still pending.
Yes, your
No,
lordship.
no, here, the main matter,
Or in the-
4550, that has been, why 45?
We have only said that you will not apply that enhanced eligibility criteria.
No, we don't have,
Those who were selected and enhanced eligibility criteria,
no, we don't have.
those who were selected and appointed who are to be permitted as per the concluding paragraphs in our judgment.
Well, everyone has applied.
You said 2,000 candidates have not.
No,
come.
no, those who are coming
Lists are
to your
ready
lordship,
and our SLP.
The-
Those who
Those
was all
who
the.
choose not to come forward,
Yes,
very
sir.
well.
Just
So
there
let
was-
that.
Mulad, those
The
who,
record will show
may I-
If you have published the notice in newspaper,
may
and in spite of that, they don't want to come in for the
Mulad,
selection,
may I-
perhaps those are
we have-
people who have gone back
we
to
have
their
given-
own jobs.
we have given, if your lordship kindly just permit me to, just a little suggestion.
We'll hear you
No,
tomorrow.
one little
This
suggestion.
application will take it up tomorrow.
Yes.
And your lordships are.
But another matter is,
My FA number.
Need to be listed
Malad.
tomorrow.
Your lordships, I'm giving my.
but another matter is there.
Filed a fresh SLP.
Yes, your lordships against their orders only. And
The
your-
same
Yes, your
judgment
lordship,
also.
Same group.
And you are also selected and appointed candidate.
Yes, your lordships.
Very good.
And there is
Related.
26 where untainted, selected, appointed,
You will be
teaching.
permitted to
Yes.
write the exam.
Yes.
But you can't ask for postponement of the exam. You can't ask for
No,
postponement
we're
of the
not
exam.
asking,
We are keeping the matter pending.
we're exactly.
Tainted
what
candidates.
No sifting mechanism to weed out the tainted. The state has not arrived. We're only on that, my lords.
Very good. That we
We're
can
only on
keep a
that.
check on, let the selection go through.
Yes,
If you're
sir.
able to
Yes,
show
sir.
that any tainted candidate has been selected again, you will
My-
face the music.
My lord, I can.
If you allow, you have the list of tainted candidates
Yes,
we have-
given by the
We are
CBI.
not, we are not.
If you are allowing any of those candidates to appear again,
But this-
take it from us. We will
But-
come down on you like a ton of
Malad,
bricks.
Yes, Malad, kindly allow me. If this is the allegations are made,
This allegation
let them
is
show-
already borne out by your
Let-
application
let
before the
them,
High
let
Court.
them show now.
Allow the tainted candidates to appear again.
Have not,
Why would you go before the High Court and even make such a prayer? Why would you do that? Once they have already been identified
the point was,
as tainted candidates,
the point,
you go before the High Court, file an application and ask for permission to allow them to write that.
Malad, the point was there, just, I will make my submission.
There is
I am
no
not
no
supporting-
justification for that
Malad,
at all.
I am not,
Unless some minister wants some candidate.
no,
to
no, no,
appear.
I am not supporting anything.
That is exactly what you're doing.
Got their lesson, those who are handling the matter.
Anyhow, as we said, we are keeping a close watch on what you're
Yes,
doing.
yes, yes.
Please be mindful
Please, please.
that we will
My lord.
definitely interfere
My lord.
if you do this kind of tinkering again. You've already ruined the lives of these people. People are out on the roads. We are being blamed for your mess. Is that fair? The government, you're supposed to be a model citizen and this is what you do? A selection process tainted because some minister wants his candidates to be there. Your God knows what else went on. But you are responsible for this entire selection going awry. No other
Malad, we
word
are
for it.
neither the state that.
All the authorities concerned, the board, the service commission and the state government. All three are involved.
We are accepting that, whatever.
Nothing more to be said.
Malad, we will also, Malad,
Very
one,
well, we'll take it up.
Malad, another one matter, that which was heard on Monday.
IA and the.
Malad,
SLP,
Malad,
yes.
one, kindly just, the Monday, the matter which was heard by your lordships and notice that similar order, kindly let this come also tomorrow. Although I have not filed
Why
any,
should it come tomorrow?
along with
We've only
this,
given the same interim order in that.
same interim order, but that is the clarification which is,
Again, in that also you
That-
filed an IA.
no, I have not filed.
Then why should you?
Well, because
You took the trouble to file an IA in this. Why didn't you file it in that?
process of filing the IA, because this has just come on Monday, but it repeats the same order as Vivek Pares.
Very well. Give that number also.
Well, I am trying to file by itself to the IA, but if this number is we are giving, if it is there,
This last line doesn't really hold you to a mandate,
no.
which is how you're understanding it.
Yes, but for the all.
If you are able to entertain all the applications within time, and there is nobody who will come forward and say that I'm sorry, I ought to have been entertained, I have not been entertained, then of course it's a different matter. But if you've given time till 2nd September and you publish
I will take
notice
all
in the
applications.
newspapers, then-
Unfortunately, what
There are
happens
only
is
one-
that our school exams, term exams are in September. So all of us who have to take the exam, your lordships, this is the reason why they are putting a particular date so that we can appear and we don't have time to appear.
No.
So I'll show all this,
teachers, you're
Yes.
already there.
all this to your lordships.
We are not going to put off the exam.
No,
Be certain about that.
asking for that.
We've
but-
already said that this process has to be completed by
Absolutely,
31st
your lordships.
December.
Every direction your lordships have.
We are not
they
going to
violated.
postpone the exam.
I'm not on that, your
You
lordships.
need to burn the midnight oil to prepare, so do it.
All that I'm saying, your lordships, is every direction that your lordships have given has been violated by them, which I will show tomorrow to your lordships. Yes, great.
Filed the IA for this.
They go with it.
They have not. filed.
It's a 15 minutes.
Very grateful, your lordships.
Yes.